out here! Do you know what's been annoying me recently? Irritating adverts on the television. That's right, there's one in particular that's really been infuriating me. It's that one with Alexander Armstrong and Chris Addison. And they're selling car insurance, and they're just being ridiculous. There's nothing humorous about car insurance. Don't make light of it. If I was in buying my car insurance for my Boatmobile, and I saw something like that going on, I'd be really cross. I'd never go there again. But that's not the only advert that's been annoying me. There was one a few years ago for some job agency, and they had the people in it doing some sort of Hawaiian dance thing. Oh give me a job, oh give me a job. Oh, I wouldn't give them a job. Oh, that advert was so annoying. Oh, I shouted in rage and smashed my television every time it came on. And it wasn't just once or twice a day. It was twice in every single advertisement break. I hate it so much. Why are there so many awful adverts on the television? Go compare. More like go yourself. Compare the mere... Actually, no, I like that one. We got much more of these awful adverts. I'm just gonna stop watching television. Apart from the news and the weather, which I will make my tea during, and then I'll complain that I haven't seen it. That's my plan. I think if we're gonna have adverts on the television at all, there should be adverts with me in them. Do you like parcel tape? Well, I don't. I hate it so much. Mobile phones, the future of communicating. Today, except for me, because I don't have any friends to call. This thing right here, it's a thing. It does loads of stuff. It doesn't really. If these were adverts on the television, I wouldn't mind so much. But they're not. Hopefully one day they will be. Until then, I hate you so